Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete WhatsApp data on Windows. It's really simple and easy. So open up this PC. You have to go for this view, go for this show, and make sure you have to check the option of the hidden items because the WhatsApp files are completely hidden and you cannot find them manually. Once you did that, go to the drive C. I'm also going to make a little bit bigger so you can see it. Go to the users and select the user that you are mostly using it. There is also the other option of the hidden folder app data. Open that and now go to local. From here you have to look for the packages. You can see there has to be a folder by the name of packages. Open it, and from here you have to look for the WhatsApp desktop. As you can see, this is the WhatsApp desktop. As you can see the size as well. Now every time you receive some type of images, videos, or any other document, all of those will be stored here and they will be permanently available if you do not delete them manually from your system. There is no time limit for that. Now go to the local state if you want to go ahead and have a look at your files. From here you can just also take a look at the images that you have. So as you can see, there are all the images, videos and everything here. You can view all of them here. Now if you wish to delete them, just simply select and simply press delete, or if you wish to copy them, you can also simply copy them and paste it anywhere you want. But that's pretty much it. That's how to delete WhatsApp data on Windows. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.